Hey, what's up guys, so we are back with another video, and this my friend is an $11 smartwatch, 11 not 1100. To be honest, this thing goes with a number of names on Amazon. This one is the MCMP Optimus DZ09 smartwatch. Nothing much be seen on the box, so let's get into it. Very well protected for $11. Inside we get a user guide, a micro USB cable and another back case. It has a bunch of apps, but none of them seems to real. For example, this steps counter app, this isn't accurate at all.
$2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later. A few inches later. Day 2, day 3, day 4. A few moments later.
As you can see, the WhatsApp doesn't work same as for the other apps. It also has few changeable watch faces. This is by far my favorite. You can insert SIM card in this and makes a call with this, but the quality isn't good. Conclusion. I like all the regular smartwatch features that are included in here, but would suggest to buy a more reputable watch. But in this particular case, I would say it doesn't suck. For $11, it's good place to start with. Let's say you look for smartwatch under a tight budget, this may be an option for you.